of class 4, how are you? Take out your English literature book and open at page number 30. Okay, today let us do fill in the blanks. It is from your poem Foreign Lands. Okay, Foreign Lands, I had taught you it is an imaginary poem. It shows the imagination of a little child. In this poem, the poet thinks himself to be a little child, means the poet imagines himself to be a little child, and through this poem he tries his best to describe the imagination of a little child. Okay, the child climbed up a little tree. The little child climbed up a cherry tree. Okay, I had taught you this poem. I think you are able to answer the questions very well. Okay, recall the poem. Before answering them, recall the poem, and you will be able to answer them very easily. Okay, look the sentences. Here are some sentences. Read them carefully. Read them carefully. Read them carefully. Okay, read them carefully. Your first sentence is the speaker climbed up a dash tree. Recall the poem. Here, the speaker is a little child. I had taught you the poet imagines himself to be a little child. The speaker is a little child. Here, your answer will be cherry tree. The speaker climbed up a cherry tree. इस पोएम में कवि अपने आप को एक नन्हा बच्चा इमेजिन किया है जो पहली बार एक पेड़ पर चेरी पेड़ पर चढ़ता है और वहां से दूर दूर का नज़ारा देखता है, प्राकृतिक सौंदर्य को निहारता है। इस कविता के माध्यम से, इस पोएम के माध्यम से कवि एक बच्चे की कल्पना को दर्शाया है। ओके, द स्पीकर क्लाइम्ड अप अ cherry tree. Your answer will be cherry. Okay, next sentence means second sentence. Read the second sentence. He saw the garden in his dash house. Okay, feel lovely. He saw the garden in his lovely house. Lovely means प्यारा. Okay, however it is not mentioned in the poem. Now come to third sentence. Sentence number third. The speaker saw a winding dash river. Recall the poem. Winding river. Winding means twisting. Winding means twisting. Recall the poem. I had taught you. The child saw a twisting river, means zigzag river. The poet means the child saw a twisting river. Okay, means वह बच्चा उस पेड़ से, चेरी पेड़ से एक टेढ़ी मेरी नदी को देखता है. Okay, here your answer will be river. Winding river. Winding means twisting, turning. Okay, now come to the next sentence. Sentence number fourth. He described the river as the sky's dash. Sky's dash. Recall the poem. I had taught you the river behaves like a looking glass. Means looking glass means mirror, दर्पण. इस पोएम में नदी एक दर्पण का काम करता है. मीन द चाइल्ड सॉ द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ स्काई इन द रिवर. ही थिंक्स इट टू बी द स्काईज लुकिंग ग्लास. वह बच्चा नदी को आकाश का एक दर्पण समझता है, क्योंकि वह उसमें उसकी परछाई देखता है. वह आकाश पेड़ से, चेरी पेड़ से आकाश की परछाई नदी में देखता है. दैट इज वाई ही थॉट इट टू बी अ लुकिंग ग्लास. मीन्स मिरर, दर्पण. मिरर मीन्स दर्पण. ओके, नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. सेंटेंस नंबर 5. The speaker wants to climb a dash tree. The speaker wants to climb a dash tree. Recall the poem. Here, the child wants to climb up a higher tree. एक ऊंचे पेड़ पर चढ़ना चाहता है. From there, he wants to see the end of the river. He wants to see the end of the river and fairylands. Okay, means वो बच्चा एक ऊंचे पेड़ पर, इससे भी बड़ा, हायर ट्री. हायर ट्री, इट इज कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म ऑफ हाई. वह उससे भी बड़े पेड़ पर, ऊंचे पेड़ पर चढ़ना चाहता है, ताकि वह नदी का अंत देख सके, समुद्र में गिरते हुए देख सके, सागर में गिरते हुए देख सके. ठीक है, सागर और नदी का मिलन देख सके. दैट इज वाई द चाइल्ड वांट्स टू क्लाइंब अ हायर ट्री. योर आंसर विल बी हायर. योर आंसर विल बी हायर. HIGHER. Note it. Okay, today's class is over. The remaining questions answer will be taught next day. Thank you.